Hey guys, what's going on? I'm doing a daily update. I forgot to do this yesterday, so I thought I'd do it this morning. So it's for SideKickTraders Discord and in particular the SPX alerts that we've been doing in there. So check the link in the description below, it'll take you to this page. We have a 3-day free trial for you, and you can come in and check that you're able to profit with these alerts, make sure that everything's good for you. And in the Discord, we have Lance, who's also doing these awesome swing and day trade alerts. So he actually had a really nice winner today on AMD. So when we're not doing SPX in this channel, often Invest and Teacher or Lance will be doing some stuff in here, and he's been learning from Goldman as well, so he's able to start trading some things that when Goldman's kind of quiet. So that's really cool. And also Josh is doing weekly passive income spreads on the Russell 2000, so if you're more interested in learning how to sit back and let premium decay, sit back and make some passive income, Josh is doing a really good job on those. And Lance is also an expert on that type of trading as well. So we have it all. We have crackhead day trading with Goldman SPX alerts, and we have Lance's in-between stuff, and then we have passive income from premium decay. So a lot of different cool stuff in there. So today I just want to talk about some of the SPX trades that goes on inside the Discord, update you on what happened yesterday, and then give you a brief introduction to the course that this guy has actually released on how he does this. So he's pretty amazing. He wins 90 to 95% of these trades, and typically he's winning like 20% to 500% wins on at least some of his runners at least. So it's really cool. He's revealed his strategy for the first time, so if you're interested in that, come into the Discord. You can private message him and get access to his course. I think he's charging about $100 for the course at the moment. That's really underpriced in my opinion. I think this course could easily sell for $500 or $1,000 or something. Probably one of the best courses I've come across in a long time, given his results, his transparency, and it's a very novel, unique strategy that you can follow his alerts on, but it's also really helpful to go through his course and figure out exactly how he's doing these things, and it's not as simple as you might think. But the cool thing is, by releasing his course, I've been able to really check through and see that this guy is not just gambling. He has a really legitimate, time-tested strategy that I think you guys could really learn from and find really helpful. This is the course, and you can see it's a video course, there's a PowerPoint that sums everything up, and then there's 4 or 5 different strategies that he goes through in detail both in the PowerPoint and in the videos that he does to cover them. Each video is about 30 minutes long, so it's really helpful to go through and learn what this guy's doing. He talks about what indicators he uses, he talks about how he deals with premium, what indicators he uses on the premium charts, which is really interesting, and also gives some information for beginners. If you're new to trading this type of thing, you can go through and learn how to do options and all this stuff. Really good. Highly recommend it, and I think it's something that most people would benefit from, especially if you're looking to trade futures or SPX or even SPY, which you can do on these SPX alerts. So, and that's what we talk about in the Discord a lot. We talk about how to scalp SPX, but also how to change this to SPY or the E-minis and also make some money doing that. So anyway, let's get started on a couple of the trades. So this guy, if you watch these videos, just phenomenal trader. Yesterday he had a losing trade, which is unusual, so he had minus 28%. Then 2 winners to make up for it, which is awesome. So let's go through the losing trade, because I don't often get a chance to show losing trades on this channel because he hits so many winners. So this is a rare losing trade for him. These are 1 minute candles on this chart. So you can see at 10:25 he entered puts and this immediately went up against him, and he didn't hesitate. He got out with minus 28%, which might sound like a lot, but his average wins are significantly bigger than that, so he was able to cut that loss really quickly and escape this trade. So a lot of people always say that to me. They're like, oh yeah, you're showing all these 50%, 100%, 300% winners, but does he lose it all on the losing trades? And the answer is no. Like, this is a typical losing trade for him. Cuts his loss really quickly and he's done. So very disciplined trader, and I think there's a lot we can learn from him because of that. So he made up for it pretty quickly. Thanks again, by the way, BLC, if you're watching this, for these charts. It makes my life a lot easier just pulling these out of the Discord. We have a lot of people in there. We've grown so fast, like we've doubled in the last month or something, mainly due to these videos and this guy's amazing trading, and then all the support around it that we were able to give people. So you can see at 10:35 here he entered calls, at 2.2, and he's ripped up pretty quickly. You're able to get in here for roughly the same, maybe even a little bit better of a price than him, and he scaled out here at 27% and then here at 48%, making up for that loss pretty quickly. I don't want to go through the last trade. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You can always go back and check these contracts. They were the SPX 1.65 calls, and you can go and back test those as well if you want. Make things a bit easier for me. So yeah, go and check those out. If you want to come in, again, there's a 3-day free trial, so you can come and check these trade alerts out and say hello to Lance and Josh and myself and look and see what else is going on in this Discord. So it looks like today Goldman's actually alerted one right here. At least he's given something. So this is also really good. So it's basically he came up with he's just put out this EMA test to go long. So he is looking for a bounce off a 9 EMA, and he's just waiting for it to go long. So you do get a heads up, and you can go in and just pull up the same day contracts on SPX and just get ready to go long on this type of thing. So it'd be kind of cool here if you actually alerted I can go in and take a trade on this, but I'm planning to do a whole video dedicated to that, where basically I sit down and I record my day trading SPX Scalps with this guy so everybody can see like it in real time, which would be really cool. Anyway, we also have a futures trades channel, which is pretty good, and also people are discussing a lot of longer term stuff as well. So we're starting to get a bit more diversified here, not just looking at Goldman's SPX Scalps, although it still remains the core of the Discord. So hopefully that's helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.